Guys, so today I'll be unboxing this mini bakery craft kit. This is from Amazon and it's a cute little DIY air dry clay kit to make these little breads. So it's supposed to come with everything you need to make a variety of items. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and slide off this cover to it. This kit is from Amazon and it also comes with a little set to keep your breads in. So that looks super cute. All right, so here on top we have a mini bakery crafts kit creativity guide. And it lists everything that's in the box. And then I guess all these tutorials on how to make the breads. So looks like they're pretty good tutorials of the steps and all the types of breads that you can make. So I'm excited to see what I'll be able to make with this. And then also it has the box that, or like the display. Very cool. And then a box and string lights to do a little display. So that's very cute. So after the guide, it comes with this. Not too sure what this is. Like a notepad with a little envelope and some ribbon. All right, and here is the box itself. Starting on top, we have the main item. This, on the guide, it says that this is resin clay. I think this might just be air dry clay, I'm not sure though, but it has a cute sticker that says baking dough, artisan shaping clay, and it's just a pack of white clay. It's very nice and soft. The next item here, these are paint palettes. So this is what you can use to like color your objects. In this tutorial here, you can use these little paint pads to make like a realistic like baked goods coloring on it. Next item we have here, it says cream on here. But in the guide they call this PVA cream, and it looks like it's used to make just like the cream toppings, and it'll dry maybe kind of like a plaster or plastic type of texture, so that's super cool. And then next we have what they call a variety of jams. It looks like this is maybe just like paint. And this one, the yellow, they call it mayonnaise, interestingly. This one is called matcha sauce. And then we have strawberry sauce, blueberry sauce. This one is called white acrylic. This one is chocolate paste, and this one is PVA adhesive. Basically, the tutorial is to mix that PVA cream with any of the colors, and then you can decorate and create like more colorful little jam to use, or like as frosting for decoration. And this next item here, this is kind of like an important piece of it. This is the bread mold. Let's see what kind of variety it comes with. So here is the mold. It's like this jelly texture. I'm most excited for this little like turtle bread. It's very cute. But we have a variety. Looks like a croissant, a French bread, donut, like just different twists, I guess, and flour. This one I thought was defective at first, but it looks like it's like a wreath, because you can see there's like a little bow there and it's like textured here, so that'll be interesting. This is maybe like a little bundt cake. So very cute and lots of variety to choose from. They're actually like a lot smaller than I would have thought. So I think this like bag of clay will make a decent amount, it seems. Next we have some of these cute decorations. So it looks like we have some colorful sprinkles, some little fruit slices, or like different little decorations, and then these like clear white ones. The guide says they are coconut flakes, or yeah, like this one's probably the coconut flakes, and then maybe this one just kind of like looks like sugar, but very cute. It comes with like a pair of tweezers, which is nice, so you can have like better control for your decorations. And then it also comes with some various tools. This is a clay knife. Looks just kind of like a plastic knife, nothing super fancy here. And then some paint brushes. This is just a clear bag. I don't know if this is the piping bag, but I assume you could just use any old bag and make it a piping bag. Down to some more like decoration items, which I didn't know that would come with. So very cute. This is, let me see if I can open it. It's like a little cloth, or multiple pieces of cloth. So again, you can have like multiple decorative pieces. That's nice that it comes with a lot of them, of different sizes as well. And then it comes with these two cute little paddle boards. You can put your bread on, and then another little like doily or like placement pad. I just realized there's two of them and they're different. This one is stars and this one is hearts. So love the cute little details. And next, oh, I think these are the piping bags. Actually, this might just be a bag to like keep this sealed, perhaps. But yeah, these are the piping bags right here. And then we have these wooden panels to make your little display. This is what the display is supposed to look like once you put the wooden panels together. And of course you can like paint it and all that good stuff. And then it comes with a thing of string lights to make to put in your display box. Looks like this is a little piping tip that's like star shaped. And I just looked at the guide. These are double-sided adhesive dots that you can use to put the string lights up. So it's nice that it really comes with everything you need. All right, and it comes with a little jar of Vaseline. And it serves two purposes. It's to soften the clay and to release the clay from the mold. In the guide here, you can see they tell you to combine the clay with the color plus a little bit of the Vaseline and make the dough. And then also you want to paint some of that Vaseline onto the mold so that hopefully the dough comes out nicely. And we have a couple more goodies in here. I'm not sure what these are quite yet. And then we have like a menu maybe, like of the items. You can write in little prices. Okay, I figured it out now. This is some double-sided tape that you use to construct your display box. And then this right here is like a little roof for your display box here. And I like how they decorated this box so that you can make it into the actual display box. It's just here, and it should become like a cute little shop like this, where you can use the string lights and then also the like display container and put it all in the box. So very cute. So far it seems like a very comprehensive kit that comes with everything you need. So I'm very excited to try it out. Thanks for watching.